Can you describe foreigners in 3 words, good or bad?
Some of them
Are you looking for like a serious relationship?
Actually, I'm looking for a serious relationship. I don't want to play around.
Hi everyone, I'm Lorie and welcome to the FUENTES Family Channel. In today's video, we are going to interview Filipino women from Naga City, Bicol, Philippines and ask them, describe foreigners in 3 words, good or bad. Let's find out. Enjoy the interviews. What's your name and age?
Hi, I'm Paula. Paula, you can call me Pao. I'm 24.
May we know if you're single or in a relationship?
I'm currently single.
How long have you been single?
Roughly a year. A year.
A year. May we know what's your job? Her English is really good.
I'm a project manager in Australia. Though I just resigned last December, I take a little bit of vacation.
Can you describe foreigners in 3 words, good or bad?
Well, based on my experience, I think foreigners are very open-minded. For example, they're especially my clients. I work with Australian and Israel and what I call this Americans. So I had a various or wide experience when it comes to working with foreigners. I can say that foreigners are generous, open-minded, and very respectful. Right. These are the three. These are the three description that I can say to foreigners.
Would you date a foreigner?
Well, I had an experience dating a foreigner. It was a mutual decision that it didn't work out. It's because mainly of the distance. But I'm not closing any doors. But as of the moment, I'm not pressured. I mean, I'm not rushing things. Again, if it's meant to be, it's meant to be.
What's your name and age?
Hi, I'm Sampo. I'm 19 years old.
Sam. Are you single, Sam?
Yes, I'm single.
How long have you been single?
Like 5 years.
5 years. Okay. And how are you tonight?
It's so good po and super malamig.
Yeah, it's chilly tonight. It's very chilly. Okay, anyway, Sam, describe foreigners in 3 words, good or bad.
Um, Tagalog po.
It's okay.
Okay.
Taglish or
Um, every time I see a foreigner, I describe them as kind,
kind.
and some of them, not all of them, are like racist,
Mm-hmm.
and third is traveler.
Traveler. I see. So you think foreigners loves to travel, right?
Yes po.
Okay, and some of them are racist.
Yes, yes. Not all of them. As my point of view po.
Oh, I see. Well, anyway, we respect your answers. What's your name?
My name is Chelsea.
Chelsea?
Yes, Chelsea.
That's a very beautiful name. How are you tonight, Chelsea?
I'm fine.
You're fine. That's good. She's very shy. Anyway, Chelsea, describe foreigners in 3 words, good or bad.
Okay. The first one is wise. Second is thoughtful, and the third is aggressive.
Aggressive. What's your name and age?
My name is Luella Yap. I'm 27.
27. That's a very beautiful name, Luella. How are you tonight?
I'm good.
Okay. Anyway, Luella, describe foreigners in 3 words, good or bad.
um, Sorry, first word bad. Some of them are ignorant. They're also good people and beautiful people.
Beautiful. Good. And why did you say some of them are ignorant?
Maybe when it comes to the culture of the country they're in, sometimes they don't respect. But sometimes some of them are most of them are good.
What's your name po and age?
Yeah, I'm Olive and I'm 51.
Very interesting name, Olive.
Yes.
Not very common.
Uh,
Beautiful.
I think it's a unique name.
Mhm.
Yeah, most I don't see any person with that name.
Yeah.
So it's a very very rare name.
Unique, just like
Yeah,
what you
yeah,
said,
yeah.
ma'am. Are you single or in a relationship?
I'm separated for like about 12 years already. Yes.
12 years. Are you looking for like a serious relationship?
Actually, I'm looking for a serious relationship. I don't want to play around. I want a serious relationship.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
very beautiful. I love that. Anyway, ma'am, can you describe foreigners in 3 words, good or
Oh,
bad?
Very interesting because I've been in I have so many friends like Americans when I was working in Saudi Arabia. So I used to go to American compound. So most of the people there they are Americans and they were so nice, accommodating and they were so friendly. They love to have fun, have parties like that. So they are very nice and they are very accommodating. So if you are having party, they are so friendly. Yeah, you will not feel shy like that. Yeah.
So nice, accommodating, and friendly.
Yes. Yeah.
Beautiful.
And then you will not be like if you have some friends like you will not be intimidated because they are so friendly and accommodating. And they love the Filipino women, especially the Filipino women, because they said when I was working abroad, I worked in Oman for 11 years. So most of the foreigners, they find the Filipino women, they said they are always smiling, they look young more than their age, like that. So I have fun like talking to them. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Just like mom, 51 years old. She looks very young at her age.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
She's so good too.
Okay. Because I've been working abroad, so I have a lot of friends like any nationality, like Americans, Egyptian, most of the Arab people. But I work in Saudi Arabia for 4 years and 11 years in Oman. So most of the people I am middling with, they are foreigners working abroad like that. Mm.
So mom is very friendly.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, mom.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.